Hello and welcome to the review of Portronics Sound Drum aka POR 871. This is the Distracted Engineer. Let's get started. The Sound Drum is a rechargeable Bluetooth 4.2 speaker with a power output of total 10 watts. It weighs at around 422 grams. The size is almost same as that of a coffee mug. The build quality is good. The speaker is completely made of good quality plastic with a rubber hood used to cover the connectivity ports. There are two 5-watt speakers placed diagonally opposite to each other. There is a bass radiator on top of the speaker along with the Portronics branding. In the front we have 4 controls. There is an on-off button. The plus-minus buttons can be used to control the volume and change the music tracks as well. In the middle there is a play-pause button which can also be used to receive calls. The buttons provided are easily clickable and of good quality. Under the rubber hood, we have a LED indicator to show the charging status, the USB port for USB playback, the aux cable input and the micro USB charging port. The speakers are dust and water resistant, which adds to the overall durability. The battery provided is of 1800 mAh and provides a decent amount of on time. Here are some stats. You get Bluetooth 4.2 and pendrive connectivity options. FM radio is available as well, but the audio during FM playback is mostly flat with no bass at all. You can also listen to your music or FM radio using the aux in port. You can receive calls as well using the built-in mic. There is also an auto off feature where the speaker automatically turns off after 10 minutes of inactivity. Let's hear some music clips first, and after that we will discuss about the sound quality.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Device paired.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Now about the sound quality. In spite of the small design, these are very loud. The two diagonally placed 5-watt speakers spread sound in every direction. The bass produced is not that much, but considering the size of the radiator, it is good and fills the shallow voids in the music. The speaker tends to shake a lot during bass heavy music playback. The treble produced is good as well. The mids are clearly audible, but the lows and the highs are a bit suppressed, which causes the sound to be a little flat. However, the bass produced and the loud sound levels balances out the flatness. The sound drum is available at around 1800 rupees in Indian market, and looking at the price, I would say this is a feature packed speaker where you are getting the value for your money. That's it for this video. Do like and subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.